and welcome back to our channel. In this week's video, I want to tell you about top 5 automations within Zoho CRM that can help you to boost the efficiency within your organization. Before we begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here. And now let's get on into the video. So the first feature is workflow rules. So workflow rules in Zoho CRM are like building a set of automatic instructions that run when specific conditions are met. These rules follow a simple structure. When, you can define a trigger, like when a record is added, updated, or deleted. Then conditions, you can specify which records the rule applies to based on criteria like lead source or deal stage. And action, you can determine what happens, such as sending an email, updating a field, or scheduling a task. Let's say you have a new lead that is added to your CRM. A workflow rule can automatically send them a welcome email, assign the lead to a sales rep, and create a follow-up task for 3 days later. As you can see, setting up workflow rules using Zoho CRM is very simple. The builder for workflow rules is very intuitive and easy to use, and you can specify many criteria as you want. Workflow rules save time by automating repetitive tasks, ensuring consistent and timely follow-ups, and this reduces manual errors, keeps your team organized, and allows them to focus on higher value activities that drive growth. So this is a very useful feature. Workflow rules are perfect for simple automations, but for more complicated ones, there's another feature which is a blueprint in Zoho CRM. Blueprint is like building a detailed workflow map to ensure that every step in your business process is followed consistently. It includes key elements. The entry criteria, you can specify when the process starts, for example, when a deal enters a particular stage. Stages, you can define the different stages in the process, such as lead qualification or proposal send. Transitions, you can set conditions for moving between stages like compelling a form or getting approval. And actions, you can automate tasks during transitions such as updating fields, sending emails, or creating follow-up tasks. So imagine your sales process involves stages like lead qualification, proposal send, and deal closed. A blueprint can enforce that. Sales reps must fill out a qualification form before moving to the deal proposal send. Once the proposal is sent, Zoho automatically updates the record to reflect the proposal date, and moving to the stage deal closed triggers a notification to the finance team. Blueprint eliminates guesswork by guiding your team through structured process. It ensures everyone follows the same steps, reducing errors, improving consistency, and aligning actions with company policies. This is particularly valuable for scaling teams or handling complex workflows. If you want to see a full tutorial on how can you build this blueprint within Zoho CRM, we have a full tutorial, and I will leave the link in the corner and down below in the description box so you can learn how to do that within Zoho CRM, because it is a bit more complicated than building a workflow rule, but still very intuitive to use. Another feature I want to talk about is lead assignment rules in Zoho CRM that ensure that leads are distributed fairly and intelligently across your team. They work through different assignment criteria, so you can define the rules based on fields like location, industry, lead source, or custom fields, and that applies to different leads and also to users or roles within your organization. For example, you have regional sales teams, so you can create a rule that assigns leads from California to the West Coast team and those from New York to the East Coast team. What is also great that you can already add a task when the lead is assigned to a specific sales rep. So they already get a task to, for example, fill out different fields within Zoho CRM or to contact the lead. Lead assignment rules ensure that every lead gets timely attention from the right person. They remove delays caused by manual distribution and help balance workloads among team members. Another great feature is email automation with Zoho Flow. So Zoho Flow allows you to connect Zoho CRM with other tools to automate email workflows. For example, with Zoho Mail. It works through triggers. You can specify what starts the automation, like when a lead is added, a deal state changes, or an event is completed. Conditions. You can apply filters to ensure emails are only sent to specific segments, for example, leads interested in particular product. And actions. You can automate sending personalized emails, updating CRM records, or notifying the team. For example, the lead downloads a white paper from your website. Zoho Flow can automatically send a follow-up email with more resources, notify the sales team, and tag the lead as engaged in Zoho CRM. Email automation ensures consistent, personalized communication with your prospects. It saves time, nurtures lead effectively, and keeps your sales pipeline moving without any manual effort. And the last must-use feature is SalesSignals for real-time notifications. So SalesSignals in Zoho CRM provides instant notifications for customer interactions, helping your team respond quickly. Its main features include notification triggers. You can get alerts for actions like email opens, website visits, social media engagement, or form submissions. Channel integration connects with channels like email, chat, social media, and phone to centralize notification. Customer role alerts, you can configure what events trigger notification and to whom they are sent, ensuring the right person gets the alert. If a prospect opens your email and clicks on a link, SalesSignals instantly notifies the assigned sales rep. The rep can follow up with a call while the lead is still engaged. SalesSignals enables your team to act on real-time data, improving responsiveness and personalization. This helps build stronger relationship with leads and increases the chance of conversion. As you can see, all of these 5 automations can help you to save your time and efforts within Zoho CRM and boost your efficiency. Leave in the comments below your feedback to this video, and also make sure to share your favorite automation within Zoho CRM with our Zoho community in the comments down below, so we can help each other grow and use Zoho CRM in the most efficient way possible. Also, if you're interested in implementation, integration, customer support, or custom solutions for your Zoho CRM, make sure to book a free consultation with one of our experts by the link down below in the description box. We can help you with any services regarding Zoho CRM to customize it, integrate it, and tailor it to the needs of your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was helpful for you and will help you to use Zoho CRM the most effective way possible. And if you want to see more useful Zoho content, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here every single week.